What's up? Okay, look. Look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. If you are a child of the 80s, then you know. You already know. I mean, I know he's still out, but, available to watch, but, hey. So I got the Chucky kit. These I actually ordered extra, but they did go ahead and put them in the box because they were on sale from Glamlite. I think they're only $5. These are, chocolate candy bar. They're, lashes, I believe. Yeah. Okay, we'll open this in a second. Okay, so Chucky and Glamlite collection, created by Glamlite's proud LGBTQ and Vice President Anthony. Yay. I'm so excited. I've been waiting to show you guys, and I did not pull any of it out. I want to thank you from the Chucky and Tiff. Want to thank you from Dun on the Hearts for supporting their launch and pre-ordering their exclusive sold-out collection. Okay. Alright, let's do this. I did a little bit of makeup. But I did a little bit of makeup just so I didn't look totally dead to the world. Okay, so first up this is eyeliner duo kit. I was gonna say it looks like lip, but so fun. I did not have any eyeliner on, so that's good. I think, so it's a regular pencil and an ink. Oh, okay, I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna put a little bit of it on, but I'm probably just gonna show you what's in everything first. I got a new mirror, and so, like, I'm loving my friend's mirror from forever ago, and I believe it's also maybe not Glamlite. But I use that thing all the time. I never thought I would use a mirror, and now all of a sudden I'm like half blind. So, this one, I'll go. But I need it because I can't see anything now that I'm getting older. It sucks. So, like, I use this for, you know, my eye makeup and stuff. And it's a good sturdy one. I did just get this was also, this was ColourPop, actually. The Snow White one. So now I have mirrors. So we are good with the mirrors. Alright, so we have a lip kit. I love that it comes out like this. A lot of their stuff as actually like this for their lip kits. But oh my gosh, look at this packaging. It's so fun. Too bad I can't get their lipstick and stuff out. Like, I got that box open. Well, alright, so our lip. Ooh, a pretty nude. Alright, I'm not sure what to do because I think there might be one more. Yeah, there is another lip kit. So this one, okay, so this one's Chucky, and I guess the other one is Tiff. Oh, come out. Okay, there goes my fingernail. I mean, they were getting ready to come off anyway, but geez. They're like popping like crazy today. Alright, so this is the Chucky pencil that I can't seem to get open. Alright, so that's a little darker than I would have expected that to be for a neutral, but that's okay. Then we have the Tiff lip kit, so I'm guessing this one is probably going to be in the red family, but I could be wrong. No, it's actually kind of a burnt nude. Interesting. Let's see if I can do this one. Ooh, I like that one a lot though. I like nudes, but they kind of wash me out a little bit, so I have to have like just a tiny bit of color usually. But I guess this makes sense because I have seen the palette in when I ordered, and it's much darker color, so it makes sense to have I'm throwing stuff everywhere. It makes sense to have some neutral lips. Interesting. I'm gonna try and do some swatches, and I'll try to insert it. I don't know if I can figure that out, but we will see what happens. And then we have, and I guess this is actually, okay, this is it. So this is the 15 Shades palette. So usually I end up getting the kits because I'm like, oh, I want everything in it, like, have zero self-control, I guess. Oh. Heh. Fun. Okay, yeah. See? So much darker colors. Oh my gosh, they're fun colors. Let's see. Let me see if I can get a few swatches. Okay, so silver is Wanna Play, and it's barely, you can't see it. Good Guys. It's like a gray. It's Time to Play is a blackish. Chucky and Tiff Forever is a glittery gray. You guys are gonna see like all the inside, and then scarier than ever, all the inside of my arm there. And then, oh, issue 666, but, oh my gosh, that is a beautiful purple. It's different on my skin. Okay, and then I like to be hugged. Dark purple. Play Pals, which is like a reddish purple. It's Showtime, a burgundy kind of shimmer. And then Till Death Do Us Part. Oh, that's like a burgundy. Okay, and then the bottom row is Your Pal Since 98. Was that really 98? I'm gonna don't on the top here. Oop. Got dark, that is. He's Back, which is black with red sparkles. Can't see it quite on my arm, but it's got red sparkles in it. This one right here. Then we have like a plum purple, which is Let's Be Friends, and then Charles Lee right, woo, like bronzy black. Oh gosh, I like that one a lot. And then we have Free Hugs, which is a black. I could use that as an eyeliner for sure. Okay, my skin is super dry, so it's not really showing you guys everything. So I'm gonna pause and see if I can get a look on here real quick, and then show you. So here we go. My daughter just told me I look like Wednesday, and it didn't even occur to me, because I have pigtails in my hair, but other daughters talk into me. I think it's so pretty. It is very dark color, so I definitely will have to get used to like not going overboard, but I used Scarier Than Ever, Till Death Do Us Part, It's Showtime, and a little thing, hold on, and Chucky and Ted Forever. So I like it. What do you think?